It's us again, Cat Rosalina, and Kirby, and of course Mickey Mouse. Let's move our pants. Stop! What are you? Why do you keep saying that word? Sorry, Cat Rosalina. Come on, Kirby. We have to hurry. Today we are gonna do a new observing showdown. Let's use Diddy Kong. You want to pick? I want to pick. I want to be. What do you want to pick? We'll see. So I'm gonna be picking the Diddy Kong with the Dolphin Dash. Good idea, Cat Rosalina. Let's see if you guys pick on in your iPads. Okay. It's not a secret. Let's not tell each other what we pick. Are you guys in first place? Yeah. Who did you pick, Mickey? I picked the Toad. Who did you pick? Toadette? What? Carolina picked the Diddy Kong. And Mickey just picked the Toad. And of course Kirby picked the Toadette. Why did you pick a out drifting bike? I don't know. Okay, that was a good ride. Oh, I'm behind you, knocking you. Get back here. Hey, he knocks me! That's right, Kirby, I knocked you. You knocked me. Carolina, why did you do that? Oh, because it was just a game. Kirby, it was just a game. You know who Kirby's character is? Boys and girls, Toadette. And you know who Mickey's character is? Toad. And my character is Diddy Kong. By now. Okay, you're losing. I know. Dude! Oh! He just cut me. Okay, did I just pass you? Yes, I passed. Did you, Mickey? I passed to Toad, your character, Mickey Mouse. Oh. Well, I'm in 11th place, right with Waluigi. I know. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. You're joking. Oh, I'm leaving. So sorry, that was Nikki and Mom. So also who? Oh, let's play a song. Great idea. Alexa, play Drum Go Dumb.
Here's Drum Go Dumb by KDA, Wolf Tyler, and others on Amazon Music.
Okay, let's start this. Guys, is that right? Yeah. Wow. I'm right. I'm almost behind you. Yeah. Carolina, you're winning. Oh. Alright, get it.
Axel, quieter.
Alexa.
Baby, I don't like it. You're watching stuff and I don't care. I'm annoyed and I'm not gonna let you have that until you stop. You're watching stuff you're not supposed to. It's not okay. You can't watch things you're not supposed to.
I killed
As
them.
much as you want to. What are you watching? What are you watching? It's not it's not your age.
No.
What are you watching? If you're watching stuff that's not your age, you can figure out what the consequences. I'm annoyed.
No, one more chance, one more chance, one more
Alexa, quieter.
Okay, come on, come on. Oh, yes.
Get off me. Don't push me. Don't hold me like that. Go hang up your jacket. No. You don't have to leave the jacket. And I want you out of the top of my chair from the other space. You get him in the space. No, you're hit me. Don't hit me. This is space. Okay, move. Move back from your face. I said move back.
Okay, let's go, guys. Come on, Cat Rosalina, you're winning. Yeah, I won. Man, I was in fifth place. Mickey, you were in fifth. Yeah, I was right behind Mickey. I'm in sixth place. But actually, I'm in ninth place. And I'm in fifth place. Okay, this is one of the best songs ever. Okay, let's start our new one. Let's start this. Come on, come on. Mario. I know. I'm in third place. Yeah, Kirby, you're playing as Toadette. That makes no sense. Also, you got it too, Kirby. I know. Okay, you're right behind Baby Daisy, right, Kirby? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'm right behind you, Kirby. Yeah, yeah, you were right behind me. Come on, Cat Rosalina's gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Except King Boo is in the lead. Man. How about... That was super fun. Also, let's pick another song. Oh yeah, Faded. Alexa, play Faded.
Who's Faded?
Okay, I gotta get to... No! Yeah, you... Nice. Catch your cockroach, Lena. Okay. I mean, no, cat. Oh, Kirby's now in 5th place. That's right. And also, now I'm in 8th place. But not anymore because I'm in 6th place and Burns in 7th place. And also, Cat Rosalina's in 4th. The final one will be a harder one. Come on, we've got this. Yeah, we've got this. Okay, come on. I'm doing this. Oh, I skipped it. Yeah, I really did. Okay, this is what Tommy did. Okay. Okay, I have Oh, that was super nice. Let's always do a glitch. Okay, bonk. Next, oh, skip the turn. Okay, get back. Get out of here. Get out. Okay, okay. Whee! Ow. That was close, right, Cat Rosalina? No, no, that was not good. Okay. Oh no! Yes! No! Cat Rosalina was very fast. That's right, I was super fast. Well, that's so funny, Cat Rosalina. I was doing good. Oh. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, great game, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, boys and girls. Have a great day and subscribe to my channel. Bye, boys and girls. Bye, boys and girls. Bye, boys and girls.